Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is the equatorial forest. The equatorial forest region form a part of the torrid zone. It lies across the equator between 0 degree to 23.5 degree north or south of the equator. It is spread over the part of Asia, Africa and South America. In South America, the region includes the Amazon lowlands and coastal lowlands of northeastern Brazil, coastal Colombia, and the part of Ecuador. In Africa, it's covered the entire Zaire Basin and Guinea coast in the West Africa. In Asia, it's covered Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, part of Philippines, Peninsular, Thailand, and part of Sri Lanka and India. Climate. The sun rays falls directly over the equatorial forest region throughout the year. As the result, region has hot and humid climate. This is known the equatorial climate. The region receives heavy rainfall all year round. The rainfall especially heavy around the equinox in March and September. Places that are further from the equator gets less rainfall. The region also gets several thunderstorms. Plants life. All the trees do not shade their leaves at the same time. These forests therefore always appear lush and green and are referred to as evergreen forest. The evergreen equatorial forests cover nearly 7 million square kilometers of the Earth's surface. They absorb a lot of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release large amount of oxygen. They are therefore known as the lung of the Earth. Layers of the forest. The rainforests are made up of 4 layers. Number 1, the emergent layer. This is the topmost layer. This section comprises very tall trees. The tallest trees are as tall as 60 meters above the forest floor. Their trunk can be as thick as 5 meters. Most of trees in the emergent layer have broad leaves that help them absorb sunlight. Number 2, the canopy. The canopy is the second layer. It forms a kind of roof of the forest. It grows beneath the emergent layer. It rises to 45 meters above the forest floor. The trees in this layer have smooth and oval leaves. The leaves let rainwater slip quickly. Number 3, the understory. The understory is the third layer. Plants in this layer grow to about 3.5 meters. They receive very little sunlight because of the dense canopy above them, and fern, creepers, and orchid grass grow in this layer. Number 4, the rainforest floor. This is the lowest layer of the forest. Almost no sunlight reaches this layer, making it very dark, and hardly any plants are able to grow here. It's covered with leaves that rot quickly. The rotting leaves are food for insects such as termites. Wildlife. About half of all animal species found on the earth live in the tropical rainforest. There are large number of insects such as butterfly, termites, mosquito, spider, ticks, flies in the equatorial forest. The region is home to many animals that live on trees such as monkey, gorilla, sloth, bats, tree frog, tree lizard, green iguanas, and flying squirrels. Animals such as jaguar and some species of snakes find their prey among the tree-dwelling animals. Human life. Equatorial regions are sparsely populated because of extremely hot conditions. Insect and waterborne diseases are quite common in these forests. A few tribal communities are found in these forests. Most of them are nomadic. They hunt, gather fruits and nuts, fish in order to survive. They included the Pygmies of Congo Basin and the Kubus of Sumatra and the Semeg of the Malaysia. Farming and agriculture. The soil in the rainforest is not very fertilized. The frequent rain causes flood. The conditions are not favorable for farming. The native people of the region clear an area of the forest and cultivate it with food crops. They grow only as much as they need for their family. When the soil loses their fertility, they move to new area. This is called subsistence or shifting agriculture. Plantation agriculture. In some places now crops are grown for sale in market. They are grown on large scale farm and estates. This is called plantation agriculture. Plantation crops are included rubber, cotton, oil, coffee, sugar cane and oilseed. These crops are not cultivated for the immediate consumption. They are grown to be sold for money. So let's talk about the facts about the equatorial forest. Number 1, rainforest cover less than 3% of the planet. Number 2, the world's largest rainforest is the Amazon rainforest. Number 3, rainforest house more species of plants and animals than any other terrestrial ecosystem. Number 4, much of the life in the rainforest is found in the trees. Number 5, nearly the 2/3 of the Amazon rainforest is found in Brazil. The Amazon is thought to have 2.5 million species of insects. Kids, is the soil in the rainforest is very fertile? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the equatorial forest. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.